If this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Michael, and this is Cash Creation Club where we share with you tips to make money online, grow profitable online business. So do well to smash that subscribe button and hit the drop down bell icon to get notified whenever I post any content like this. Also, if you want to join our social media, visit the section on the YouTube channel homepage. You will see the link to join all our social media platforms. This is our YouTube channel, our partnership channel, Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, my Telegram handle, my WhatsApp contact, both of them for business inquiries and collaboration. And this is my link in bio where you will find all the links for all my social medias and also for registration on any platform. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll respond to you as fast as possible. Also, now that our YouTube channel has gotten to 1000 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway on Saturday on my WhatsApp channel. So do well to join my WhatsApp channel for you to participate on this wonderful giveaway I'm going to be doing for my community members. I want to drop a disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take anything I do or say on this channel as financial advice. This video is only for educational purposes only and for entertainment only. Please do your own research before you make any investment because investments carry significant risks. All you have to do is just to come over to the video description. You see this section that is written links in bio, then click on it. Then when you click on it, you'll be brought to this section. As you can see over here, these are all the links in my bio, but the one I'm making the video for it right now is Concordia free $100. So I have to just to click on it and you'll be taken to the registration page for you to start making money for yourself. So the name of the platform I'm about to share with you right now is Concordia FP, and this platform is, I'm sharing it to you as a free platform. This platform requires deposit, but this is a free platform based on the video I'm making right now. Do not make any deposit. If you make any deposit, it is at your own risk. I'm making this video to share this platform as a free platform based on my own view. Making a deposit is at your own risk. So you have to do just to click on try it for free right now. And once you click on that, you'll be opportunity to register an account on this platform. But this is my account, I've already registered. So this is my dashboard. So you already know how to make registration. It is not hard. You input your email address, input your password and all that. So I'm going to explain everything step by step in this video right here. So once you register an account, this is how your dashboard is going to be. And I know that you'll be wondering, where is the $100? As you can see over here, look at the $100 right here. And you will not be able to withdraw it, but I'll show you what you're going to use the $100 to do and making more money for yourself. So once you register account, first you have to just click on verify email right here. And once you verify your email, you're going to receive $5 right here. Although me, I've not verified my own email. And as you can see over here, I currently have an invited user of 2 and my structural income is $4. So which means for every user you invite, you will receive $2. So I'm going to show you everything step by step. This is the home page. Sometimes the language changes, so if you want to change it back to English, you click on this and change it back to English because sometimes the language fluctuates and changes. So if I'll be explaining everything step by step in this video. So if you go over to this menu right here, you're going to see this section that is written plan. So once you go over to that section, you're going to see different plans in which you have to invest in, but don't forget, do not make any deposit. This is a new platform. All these kind of stuff that when they bring it out newly, it will be paying for free, but I still repeat, don't make any deposit. So if you scroll down, you're going to see right here that this plan has been activated and this plan costs $100, and I use that $100 that was on my balance to activate this plan right here. And every single day I'm going to be getting $2, and after 14 days it is going to finish and I'm going to activate it again. This one costs $500, but I repeat, do not make any deposit. I am sharing this update as a free update. Don't make any deposit. So if you go back to this three line menu, if you click on this section right here, it's AI assistant. It is their AI customer care support. You can be able to contact them there. Then if you click on calculator right here, you'll be able to check your price. Like now the language has changed again, so I'm going to go back, and it is sometimes the language fluctuates and change, so you just have to either you refresh your page or you go back to the section. Now you can see where it has come back to English. Then I'll go back to calculator. So right here you'll be able to know what your profit will be based on any amount you input. But since you are not making any deposit, this does not concern you. For example, if you put $100 for 12 days, your total income will be $154. If you now increase the number of days, your total income will be $202. So it depends on it, but since you are not making any deposit, you can be able, this thing does not concern you unless you want to invest your $100. That $100 they give you for free in this same amount, in this same number of days. So if you come back to this three line menu, if you click on network right here, you'll be able to see your downlines. As you can see over here, this is my downline. Like me now, this is my main account right here, and if right here it is showing a tree. You know how family tree is, but this is my referral tree. And right here, look, this is my first referral, this is my second referral. So that's what that side is. If you click on referral link right here, this is a very essential way for you to make money. But I want to tell you something important. The plan that you invest in, this plan right here that you invest in, once you invest in it, is that for you to withdraw, the minimum withdrawal on your plan, based this free plan, minimum withdrawal is $300, and for you to reach the minimum withdrawal, it will take you ages. But your referral income, you can withdraw it at any time. Okay, so the minimum withdrawal for your plan is $300, while your referral income, you can withdraw it anytime. People are already looting this platform, but I'll not advise you to loot, but you can loot if you want. Right, like me now, my two referrals, my two downlines, they are my second Gmail account. I looted it too, so it is your own choice. I won't tell anyone. As I said, I'm not a financial advisor. You have to do everything on your own. So right here, it is showing that you should send your invitation link to your friend. Once they register and purchase a package, you will receive an income. So this is your invitation link right here. So all you have to do is just to click on copy. And once you click on copy, you can go and share with friends. You can go and loot and invest in a package with the $100 free they give you. Don't make any deposit. With the $100 free they gave you, then you can use it and be earning more money for yourself. If you click on deposit right here, this is section where you'll be able to make deposits. But as I said, and I'll keep on saying, don't make any deposit. Remove this section from your mind. Cross it bad. Remove this section from your mind. Don't make any deposit. I am sharing this update as a free platform. Don't make any deposit. So if you go back to section that is written transfer right here, you'll be able to transfer from your balance to your maybe other balance. You understand what I mean? For example, now my current account amount is $4, which is the amount I got from referral, while my current balance amount is $100. So my account amount is different from my balance amount. Your balance amount is not withdrawable because it is the free $100 they gave you. You understand? Why my account amount is withdrawable. But if you click on shift right here, you'll be able to shift it to your balance in case you want to invest it. But if you want, but don't do anything like that. You are meant to withdraw it. So the next one right here is withdraw right here. So if you click on withdraw, you'll be able to place a withdrawal. But here you will see that withdrawal ethics right here. They say provide an amount and your wallet address USDT RC20 number to receive money. Then withdrawal requests are completed on Mondays. The requests are completed on Mondays, but payments are only on Thursdays and Fridays. You understand? So it means that you can place withdrawals Thursdays and Fridays, but it will be completed. All the requests will be completed on Monday. So if the withdrawal portal is open, you put your withdrawal amount right here you want to withdraw from your referral balance, because the one you staked it cannot be withdrawn until it reach $300. Then you put your USDT TRS20, click on withdraw. The withdraw button will be showing in this section right here. Click on it and your withdrawal is going to be placed successfully. The platform it is currently paying right now that it is still brand new, but it might not last long when they see that their money has started exhausting. If you click on income history right here, you'll be able to see the history of all the money you make from in this platform, like your income you make in this platform. Then if you click on that income history, you're going to see it is going to expand with other things below it. For example, it is showing deposit income, agent income, structural income. If you click on deposit income, you will see the history of the deposit you have made. But as you can see, I have not made any single deposit. So that's what I'm saying. Don't make any deposit. If you click on agent income, you will see your income as an agent, but there are nothing right here because I'm not receiving my agent income. Then if you click on structural income, you will see your income from your referrals. Check it, your income from referrals, and right here as you can see it is showing that they started plan one, which is the free $100. I looted with these two accounts to just show you how it works in this video. And right here as you can see it is showing right here, so you can also be able to loot, but I'm not a financial advisor. I didn't tell you to do anything like that. Then if you click on base new right here, so we see some latest updates on their platforms. If you come back to your dashboard, yeah, I'm going to explain all the features right here. This is your balance right here. Then this is your deposit amount 0. I didn't make any deposit. Don't make any deposit. Then this is my invited users 2. Then this is my structural income $4. Then my agent income $0. My deposit income $0. Then my active account is $4. Then my plan, I started it and I'm going to be able to withdraw it after 14 days. And don't forget, once you activate your plan, you after 14 days go and reactivate it again. Keep making money, keep making money, keep making money. Go and reactivate it. So for this referral is the best. You can use any Gmail and refer anyone at all. It is the best because imagine you referring 20 people, you have made $40 plus. Just imagine. Then right here you see my withdrawal amount as can see $0. I've not made any withdrawal from this very platform. This is one of my I tried series. I'm still trying it out. I'm going to be showing you once I make a withdrawal from this platform. If this video was found helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here and the bell to get notified whenever I post any content like this. Also, don't forget to join our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel. Then join our WhatsApp channel for the giveaway that is coming soon due to number of subscribers that we just hit 1K right now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, our partnership channel. Then you can message me on WhatsApp and Telegram for business inquiries and collaboration only. Then this is my link in bio. You'll be able to see all the links to our social medias and also the links to platforms that are still paying. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and I'll be available to respond them as fast as possible. You can join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel, ask your questions, and you will receive a faster response. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, share with friends so that more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. In this same way I shared this update with you and you made money with it, share it with friends that our friends are also going to be able to benefit from it and make their own money also. Keep pushing, keep growing, and keep creating your own cash creation plan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.